Okay, so here it is. It's not done, but yeah, definitely not done. I don't have any grips because stuff is taking forever to get here. I ordered some Sunday Cornerstone grips to put on here. Sunday is my favorite brand, and Odyssey and Sunday are my favorite brands, so if I was going to upgrade this at all, I'd want to put Sunday or Odyssey parts on it. I was really surprised about the weight of it. It weighs 28 pounds, which is my lightest bike of these other two here. I think that one weighs like close to 35. That one weighs pretty much 40. So this one's really light. Okay, so here are the grips that I'm putting on the bike. These are the Jake Seeley signature grips. Yep, and the Odyssey par ends. So I'll be putting those on. Okay, so the grips are on the bars now. It's looking pretty good. Amazing grips, highly recommend them.